In this video I'll show you how to compile an experimental version of Blender with NVIDIA DLSS ray reconstruction support for viewport denoising in cycles. Now we're using optics. Let's switch to DLSS. I am speechless. Can you see it? It looks like Eevee, but it's cycles. How cool is that? Another model. Wow, I like it. So we must compile it ourselves because we don't have official build with that option. This is experimental branch from NVIDIA engineer Patrick Morse, not yet merged into main Blender. The process takes about 2 hours. Okay, step 1. You need to install Visual Studio 2022. So you download this file. I have it installed already, but I'll show you one option that you must choose. So here, when you install in Visual Studio, you must choose C++ workload here. Next one, you need to install Git if you don't have it already. Next, I'll use VS Code, but you can use PowerShell, but I recommend you to use VS Code. And you need to install optics. Let's go here and here and install it. Next one, you need to install CUDA, not greater than this version. So here choose your Windows version and download and install it. You must create system environment variable. You can press Windows R and sysdem.cpl, choose advanced environment variables, and here you need to add CUDA toolkit root dir. Create folder named Blender Git. I'll copy my README file to this folder for convenience. Let's open this folder in the Visual Studio Code. Open this README and let's go. So we created this folder. Now we must download latest release of Streamline SDK and unzip it to this folder. Let's do this. I open this link and this is Streamline SDK. Download. Unzip it. Here and copy to my Blender Git folder like this. Okay. Next, download latest Ninja release. Create a tools folder here and copy Ninja exe to that folder. Okay. So we must open the terminal. You can open it pressing this menu and new terminal. So we must clone the unofficial fork here. Let's clone it. It's cloned. Let's switch working directory and check out to DLSS Okay, it's checkouted. Next, we must edit config file here in Blender, build files, cmake, config, Blender release, cmake. So we must add 1 or 2 lines at the end. First line is enabling DLSS denoiser, like this. And second line is optional, but you can greatly speed up your build time if you want to. So you must edit this command to remove all unnecessary builds. You can visit this page. For example, I have NVIDIA 3090 and 3090 CUDA version is 8.6. So I can use only 8.6 and it will compile only that CUDA core and reduce compile time. Today I want to compile for all cores. Step 5. Compile. Let's run these commands. First, these commands set environments for this terminal session. And let's run make update. It will download all necessary libraries. Okay, it's updated. And next step is compile. Make release Ninja. Look carefully in these lines. It says that it found CUDA, it found optics, it found DLSS. If something is not found, then you must revisit your path here. Also here with cycles device optics, with cycles device CUDA on. And then let's just wait for this to finish. It can take about 40 minutes. Compiled. Step 6. Copy DLSS library. We must copy this file to our Blender folder. Copy this file and we must copy the bin folder, paste, and we have our Blender now. So you can move and rename this folder as you want. Blender 5.1 DLSS. And let's try to run it. I'll open my test file. I'll switch the noise for now to see how things work. And in preferences, system is optics. Okay, so this is without the noiser, and this is our DLSS. Yay! How cool is that?